So you can see that we spent 5,500 to make 300 and something thousand. So you see what I'm trying to tell you here. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're able to make 1.1 million in 3 months in sales and over 60% profit margin. Now, many people talk about, is it profitable to sell on Jumia? I just want to show you this quickly. This is similarweb.com. It's a website that shows statistics of websites in the world. So if you put jumia.com.ng here, which of course you can compare that with Konga and other sites in Nigeria, you can see that right here, Jumia is ranking #1 in the e-commerce and shopping marketplace category in Nigeria. They are the biggest e-commerce platform in Nigeria, with over 7.3 million visits from SimilarWeb per month. Now, this is what we did in the past 3 months. So in the past 3 months, Jumia has generated 7.9 million in October, 9.3 in November, 7.3 in December. Now, these numbers are what we also leverage in making the amount of money we made. Now, this store selling 1.1 million in 3 months is not the biggest store that we have at Qurnex. It's just that what we did in this store in the past 3-4 months actually changed the game, and I want to show you what we did. So like I said, the particular store is not a new store. I'm going to go to the back end and show you everything, the figures and everything. But now I just want to show you what we did. This is just basic, but you need to understand. The first thing, we understood the business, right? And we make sure a particular client, all our clients on Qurnex understands the Jumia business and the platform. Because if you don't understand the platform, how are you able to sell? The next thing we did with that, we adhere to Jumia rules and regulations. Now, if you're not selling on your own platform, you're selling on other people's platform, they have their rules and regulations. It's just like when you go to other people's houses, you have to follow their guidelines. You have to follow their rules in order to live there peacefully. Same thing with Jumia. So knowing their Jumia rules and regulations, like how to package the item, how the item should look. Jumia does not like old item or item that looks dirty or rough. They like items that look neat and new. So all these things you have to know. So we have to educate our clients, and we also know these things, which is also crucial in making money on Jumia. Now, the next thing we did was getting good products to sell. Now, some of the clients that we have on Qurnex, when they come to Qurnex, the kind of product that will come in, we already know that this product might not do so well. So we can advise them on the kind of product to get. And trust me, not every product that we get will sell. Some products will not sell. I'm going to make a video showing you top selling products, but not everything will sell. You have to do your own vetting and still try. There's some product that will have that will not sell. There's some product that will have that will sell. So getting good product that will sell is key. Even though some product in the store is not selling, but most are selling. That's why the money can be made. Another thing that we participated in Jumia's sponsorship and promotions. Now, sponsorship means running adverts within Jumia. Jumia has a sponsorship campaign showing on your screen right now, where you can subscribe to a plan, either 15,000 naira plan or 30,000 naira plan, for Jumia to promote your item. You can see your item will appear on the first page and showed sponsored below. Now, the thing is that most people will not scroll past the second page when they are searching for an item to buy. So once they type a keyword, for example, and they said, okay, I want to buy, let's say I want to buy sneakers, and they type sneakers, they're going to buy only what they see on the first page. Most people will not scroll to the second page. So paying for sponsorship means telling Jumia that despite this product is new and not visible on the store, please take it up there. Now, Jumia will take it up there, showing it sponsored. People will likely buy. Jumia will charge you for the ads, but again, at the back of the product, you've already added the pricing for all these things. Promotions, very, very important. This is why you just have to give a little bit of discounts. For example, Black Friday. We did so well on Black Friday for this particular store. For every store that we had, Black Friday is like golden months for every sellers on Jumia, even on Konga. So you need to participate on some promotions, Black Friday, some weekend promotion. This will also increase your sales, even though they will kind of reduce your profits. But on Jumia, will focus more on bulk sales. So again, here we play the long-term game. All right, we play the long-term game. So what we did here, playing the long-term game, means it's not, you cannot just start Jumia and think you can start making money right off, like off the bat. You have to build the business. You have to get product that will sell, some product will not sell. You have to learn from the mistakes, learn from the challenges that you've had. That's what we've done in the store. This store, let me show you. This store is over 3 years old on Jumia, and we've done a lot of sales on this store. And managing this store for a long time. But this year, or last year rather, 2022, this store have been kind of growing. I mean, picking up. Even though in 2021 and 2020 it did well, but playing the long-term game means we are not taking it as just a side hustle. We're actually taking it as a business now. Let me go to the back end and show you these figures, how this money looks. Now, I'm just going to log into the store. Like I said, I'm going to blur most of the details here so that for privacy reasons, obviously. So we'll log into the store, sellercenter.jumia.com.ng. Now, this is the particular store. You can see we even have 2 orders to ship tomorrow. And here you can see the seller's score. This right now you can see excellent, but sometimes this seller score even went to bad because most times you cannot even control the seller score. You cannot. Sometimes you will ship an item and the customer will decide to cancel it or say something, and Jumia will reduce your seller score. But again, you will still have to work hard to take it up there. That's not the point. The point is about the money. Let's go to report and go to account statements. So right here, you can see that if you scroll down, you can see paid in the last 3 months, 1.89 million. This is what, when you see open statement, means this money has not been paid to your account. Now let's look at breakdown of how this money was made. Let's click on right here. So we'll click there. We're going to scroll down to where you can see how much we made each month. Now I'm going to exclude January because this is all been paid in January. But I'm going to exclude January, so we're just going to look at October, November, and December. Now, like I said, this started making sales over time. If I scroll back to October, you can see it's 200 and something. September is 200 and something still. August is 300 and something, and July is 200. So you get the point. The store have been making sales, not like you're not making sales, but from October to December, it's like the best we've had. You understand? I think this is the first Black Friday we've done in the store. So in October, we made 300 and something thousand naira in sales, 378,200 in sales. Jumia took 42,000 as their commission. The shipping cost was 36,000. The sponsorship product, like I told you about, so you can see that we spent 5,500 to make 300 and something thousand. So you see what I'm trying to tell you here. Now, this might not be all the money we made, but this is money we're charged that particular month, which is very good. Now on Jumia, you're going to pay additional fees. You remember the video I talked about fees? You pay on Jumia. This is it here. Subscription fees. They will not tell you this, but you pay it once you hit over 100,000 naira in sales in a month. You're going to pay 2,098 naira, which is not too much, but they won't tell you this when you're starting out. So after all this deduction, you're able to make 291,724 in October 2022. So if we go to November 2022, again, Black Friday, man, this is the first Black Friday on this particular store. So if you want to sell on Jumia, make sure you target the next November because your sale is going to triple. You can see what we made here, 290 something. We made 307 something, almost triple what we made earlier and in the previous month. Now on Black Friday, 700k. After removing other fees, you can see the sponsorship product was just 13,000. This one was still 2,090. I will made 600 and something k. Now the next month, which is December, the sponsorship adverts was still 7,000. We made 300 and something. At the end of the day, we were paid 265,000. So if you plus all this together, let me just do this quickly. So you can see that if we plus all this together, the 3 fees, this is 1.139682 million. All right, 1.1 million we were able to make in the past 3 months. Now I want to show you something Jumia newly brought. We call it shop performance. Even though you normally load slowly, but I'll try to make it fast to show you the shop performance of this store. Now if you're selling on Jumia, you can also look at that to see how your store is performing. All right, so you're just gonna load this. Here you see Jumia showing you your shop performance. You see how many orders you get in a particular week, in the day, and how many people visit your profile, how many buys, the conversion rate. So all these things show that you can actually start making good sales from Jumia as long as you do the right thing. Now, on this channel, I've talked about many things. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. There's more videos coming on where I will show you kind of product to sell, the Jumia fee. I will talk about the Jumia fees, how to sell on Jumia properly, and how to grow your business on Jumia. So many videos coming on this 2023, and I hope to see you on the inside. Thank you so much for watching.